Hello friend, good morning and welcome to my morning news with me, Oludayo. Today, we continue in our series on effective leadership and I'll look at another principle today, and the principle is called the influencers principle. And so the word in focus for today is influencers. And here's the news I'd like you to please ponder upon as you go about your activity as that effective leader today. Learning from men of worth enables you to excel in your world. Learning from men of worth enables you to excel in your world. The story is told of a man who was a persecutor of the early Christian church, Saul of Tarsus, who later now became Paul. At the time, he had transformed and become a new person. He had become now one who wanted to join himself to lead like the early Christian apostles were leading. But he had a bad reputation. He had been the one persecuting, so how did people think he didn't have a hidden agenda? All right, he had no hidden agenda because he's transformed. And so they could not receive him until a man called Barnabas rose up to take his introduction upon himself. So Barnabas influenced Paul's access by saying, I know him, I've experienced him, he's changed, he's a new man, he's got a new agenda, an agenda that aligns with you. And when Barnabas spoke on behalf of Paul, Paul gained access to lead. Today, perhaps you're struggling with access. Look for your own Barnabas. Look for that influencer. That's the next principle for your effective leadership. Embrace it and succeed.